What's up everyone, it's Adam with Adam's Tech Talk, and today I'm going to be unboxing the AKG by Harman N60NC noise cancelling wireless headphones. We'll go around the box. On the side it shows us an audio cable with the remote on it, detachable cable with universal one-button remote controller that can be used to answer and end calls, play pause, and skip tracks. On the back, it says a line of AKG headphones designed for traveling, urban environment, and commuting. Best-in-class active noise canceling technology with AKG reference sound quality. 15 hours of battery life, and that is with Bluetooth and noise canceling turned on. If you use the audio cable, you can still use the noise canceling without Bluetooth, and that will double that time to 30 hours. Or you can just use them as wired headphones with that cable, and you don't have to worry about a battery at all. Lossless wireless noise canceling playback. That is because these do support aptX over the Bluetooth. Flat foldable in a compact, fully portable package. Down here it tells us about that cable. It's 1.2 meters long. The end that plugs into your audio device is 3.5 millimeter. The end that plugs into the headphones is 2.5 millimeters. So these have a 2.5 millimeter jack on them. This shows us what is in here. We get the headphones, that audio cable with the remote, a micro USB charging cable, an airplane adapter to turn the two mono 3.5 millimeter jacks into one stereo jack, and it looks like a carrying pouch to keep that stuff neatly tucked away, hopefully. Alright, let's open it. These are available from Samsung.com and Amazon.com for $299, so they are not cheap headphones. Hopefully live up to all that marketing hype I just read you guys. The bag is pretty nice. Has just a drawstring bag. Seems nicely made though. This I think even, yeah, that's metal. It's pretty fancy. Let's get these out of the bag. The headphones themselves. We will go over those in a second. Weird plastic pieces protecting the ear holes. Alright. Something in the bag. There's a little Velcro area to hold the cables, I'm assuming. Let's see what's in there. Okay, there's the remote and audio cable. Micro USB charging cable. What else is in there? Of course, no unboxing is complete without a little poison in the bag. In this part we have cardboard. Quick start guide. I'm not going to open that. And here is the airplane adapter. They're calling it a flight adapter. It has aluminum. It's pretty nicely made. Put that stuff back in the box. Alright. The headphones, they feel nice. Very soft on the ears, I think. Yeah. There's your charging port. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Noise canceling switch. Skip forward and skip back. Looks like a microphone. Anyway, let me try these out and I will be back with my full review.